everyone, welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. It's been a while. Yeah, quite a while. I've been really busy, but I have managed to get a few journals done, and so let's take a look at them. These are sunflower themed. I used My Porch Prints. I used her Sunflower and Daisies kit that she so graciously sent to me to use. So I actually have 4 of these that are the sunflower print. I have 4 of them, and they're all identical. And then I have 1 of these, and it's just slightly different on the inside. I'll show you that at the end. Okay, so I'm only going to flip through 1 of these because, like I said, there are 4 of them and they're identical. So they are a kind of a tapestry type material. See if you can see that texture in there, because they were made using placemats that I found at a little country store nearby. So 5 signatures in these. They wrap around. Let's see, this is, I forgot to measure it. I think it's around 2 inches. And then it's 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper folded in half. So we're looking at roughly 6 by 9 on the width and height. Okay, and wrap around cover. Okay, I'm going to try to flip through it quickly so I don't take up too much of your time. This is one of those pocket pages that I have a tutorial for here on my YouTube channel. There is some Edith Holden paper original there, a little bit of napkin decoupaging. Not a lot of 3-dimensional decorations in this. I really wanted it to be a true writing journal with lots of space for you to actually write in. So not so much of a lookbook as an actual journal. And some paper there for you to jot some notes on. Lots of lace trim, you can see here on the sides and the bottom. This is a 3-dimensional flower there. There's a couple of those in the journal. Sometimes simple is better. Besides, I wanted to let the digitals kind of do the talking. They are so pretty. Let me show you just even the plain paper that she has in the kit has detail. Okay, second signature. This is just a little envelope I made using some yellow paper and then embossing it. So there's a sheet of paper inside for you to jot a note on, and a sunflower wax seal. This is, it is a digital of a page out of a book that I have that's on, it's like an encyclopedia of flowers, and these are sunflowers in there. The book is very, very, very old, out of copyright, so no worries there. But I don't dare use the originals of it. Okay. There are some daisies in here. Like I said, her kit is called Sunflowers and Daisies. Mostly it's sunflowers. There are a few daisies sprinkled in, but they fit right with the theme. Some of this lace, like this piece here and this piece here, is actual vintage lace. The rest of the lace is new. And I skipped right over Lisa's dyed wax paper here. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in there. Some of her paper, if you ask for it, has shimmer mist on it. It's just gorgeous. The deep, deep brown there matched the sunflowers perfectly. I'll make sure I put Lisa's link below for her shop. I know she has a hard time keeping that paper stocked in her shop, though. This is an original piece of paper out of a ledger from the mid-1930s, so it is original. And I will make sure I put Stephanie's links below for her My Porch Prints and her kit. Bloom where you're planted. I like that one. And there's that other three-dimensional flower. Let's see, this one is an original sheet from a 1962 calendar book. Put that in there, and I especially chose August. I think almost all of them, I mean, obviously they don't have the same date on them because they came out of the same book for each journal, but I tried to pick ones from August or around the time that sunflowers would be blooming. This coffee dyed paper is the one I do with the doilies. Just parchment paper there. The other side of that ledger paper. Okay, and then this is the center signature that I just flipped through, and this is the back of it. And there's this little flip out here with a notepad that you can actually pull out. And so you can make yourself another little notepad out of scrap papers if you fill this one up. Okay, and then this is a pocket for this really large tag. Okay, fourth signature. Another sheet of paper out of that really old book, plant book. There's more of Lisa's paper. Maybe you can see the shimmer on that a little better. It just matches the tones in the sunflowers perfectly. Just a little splash of color. There's that piece of vintage lace there, or trim. Sheet of paper. This is a sheet of parchment paper, and then I have embossed with embossing powder on it. Lots and lots and lots of writing space here. Like I said, it is a true journal, not quite as detailed as some of my other journals, so this one really is made for writing. And then this is just a little sheet of paper I've stuck in here, but this was, I had some extra pages that I had printed off and didn't use, so I cut them in half and made little envelopes. So there's a little sunflower wax seal. I'll make sure I put the page count below. I'm trying to remember. I know it's over 200, so I will make sure I put that page count below. And there's an altered playing card. This is a vintage playing card, one that I picked up from Dorothy. Dorothy Orr. There we go. And so I altered that. A little bit of book page and some napkin decoupaging. And then little tags and journaling cards from the kit. Here's another sheet of Edith Holden book page. And a little pocket here. Some tracing paper. One more three-dimensional flower there. Another sheet of Edith Holden paper, or the other half of it, I mean. And I've glued that on there to make a pocket. And then this one, you may not be able to see it very faintly there. These are sunflowers up here in the corner. And it is lined. It's very faint. It was a notebook my daughter had that she gave me. She didn't use anymore. Okay, and then I will make sure I put my book Vandal Shop label back here in the back. And I will make sure I get the page count put in the description box below. But it is quite a bit because it is a chunky journal. Lots of places to write. Okay, I have 4 of these that I will be listing. And then this is the other one. And like I said, I'm not going to flip through it. This one will be a little bit more than the other 4 because it does have all the details back here on the beading. 3 out of the 5 signatures have beading here. This is a embroidered doily that I picked up at that little country store. And then it is a little different in the front just because the material it's made from. And then I've added a pocket, a lace pocket here, and some little details and buttons and trimmings here. But other than that, the journal is the same on the inside as the others. So anyway, so I will be listing those. Let's see, what time is it? 1 o'clock. How about let's get these listed at 6 p.m. tonight. This is Saturday. Saturday the, not sure on the date here, August 29th, I think. And so I will list these at, let's say 6 p.m. tonight. That's Eastern time, Eastern United States time. So that's New York time, 6 p.m. Saturday tonight. I will have these listed in Etsy for you to take a look at. All right. I will be back in one more video because I do have one more journal to show you, and I will see you then. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.